Western Virginia, Central Orange County in Central Virginia, Southwestern Culpeper County in Northern Virginia until 1 a.m. At 12:18 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Orange, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Culpeper, Orange, Gordonsville, Brightwood, Raccoon Ford, Rapidan, Oak Park, Montpelier Station, Madison Run, Windows, Madison Hills, Ford, Mitchells, Reva, Old Somerset, Forbesville, Twyman's Mill, Leon, and Somerset. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. for northern, central, and northwestern Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the... A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. for northern, central, and northwestern Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. for northern, central, and northwestern Virginia.
Thursday morning, the flash flood watch continues for portions of D.C., Maryland, and Virginia, including the following areas: D.C., District of Columbia, in Maryland, and the Rundle.
Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Madison County in northwestern Virginia, central Orange County in central Virginia, southwestern County in northern Virginia until 1 a.m. At 12:24 a.m. a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado in central Virginia, southwestern Culpeper County in northern Virginia until 1 a.m. At 12 per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated Tavern, or 7 miles southwest of Orange, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar. May occur. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Orange around 12:40 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Madison, Gordonsville, Madison Village, Ford, Rapidan, Montpelier Station, Madison Run, Unionville, and Locust Jail. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of sturdy buildings. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Orange around 12:40 a.m. Other locations of The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Orange County in Central Virginia, South Central Fauquier County in Northern Virginia, Central Culpeper County in Northern Virginia until 1:45 a.m. At 12:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Culpeper, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts at 3 a.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Orange, moving northeast at trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations include Culpeper, Wilmington, Raccoon Ford, Elkwood, Catalpa, Stevensburg, Branding Station, Rapidan, Lawrence, Everona, Whitman, Mitchell, Ricksville, and Atlantis. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. for northern and central Virginia.
A tornado watch also remains in effect until 8 a.m. for northern Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. for northern and central Virginia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 8 a.m. for northern Virginia.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 481, effective at 8:00 a.m.
Maryland, and the
This
following
watch includes the following counties: District of Columbia and the following counties: Charles, Frederick. The National Weather Service has issued in the following counties: in Virginia, Arlington, Fairfax, Fauquier, Logan, Prince William, and Stafford, and the following independent cities: in Virginia, Alexandria,
close to the watch area.
Falls Church.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information,
including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Until 3 a.m. for northern and central Virginia. A tornado watch also remains for northern Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. for northern and central Virginia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 8 a.m. for northern Virginia. Northeastern Orange County in central Virginia, southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, southeastern Culpeper County in northern Virginia until 2 a.m. At 1:09 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southeast of Culpeper, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour. At 1:09 a.m. Source: radar indicated. Damaging winds will cause northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard at 60 miles per hour. Damaged homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees.
Power outages.
Some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damaged homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations and patches include Roseville, North, Everett, Riversville, Burke Hill, Locust Road, Flat Road, Midland, Lake of the Woods, Richelta, Morrisville, Goldline, Soon Junction West Ford. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. for northern and central Virginia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 8 a.m. for northern Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. for northern and central Virginia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 8 a.m. for northern Virginia.
Broadcasting from Virginia, Sterling transmitting on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Central Fauquier County in northern Virginia until 2:30 a.m.
At
At 1:42 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Oregon, 10 miles north of Warrenton, northeast 240 miles per hour.
At 1:42 a.m.,
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source radar indicated.
Impact.
Damage
Will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Warrenton, Bealton, New Baltimore, Opal, Midland, Early, Broken Hill, Auburn, and Casanova. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. for Northern Virginia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 8:00 a.m. for Northern Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. for Northern Virginia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 8 a.m. for Northern Virginia. The severe thunderstorm warning.